It's a wonderful day for a walk along the water. Let's have a look. Across the way is Urban Meds and Frankie's little restaurant is here. Yeah, I can't remember. I thought this used to be called Frankie's Edibles and stuff. In other words, CBD and that sort of thing. Anyway, I'm across from that location and we're going to go down to the water. Tide is way out. Plane coming into the airport, and oh shoot, can't see it from here, but around the corner towards the Coast Guard vessels over there, it seemed like there was a goose every 5 feet. Must be better fishing over there, or at least food. Let's see if I can get down on this without getting my feet wet. Now, I thought the trail continued here, but it doesn't. This is the end of the trail that goes all the way from the airport or Coast Guard airport area down there all the way to here. So if you were to start here, you could go up to the airport and then go all the way around the airport on trails and then come right back here again if you wanted to. And if you'll recall, there's 3 different locations that I like at the airport. One is, I'll call it Wings, where they have a tribute to the airmen that fell during World War I and II, I think, or maybe it was just 2. Very nice looking area. I'll have to do some more video up there. It's all steel to make it look like wings. And then there's the graveyard that was relocated there as well. So there are a ton of crab mounds here, all over the place. They've all dug in. Gotta wait for the tide to come back. Well, it's nice and firm down here for walking. There's just a trace of water there. Yeah, when the tide is out, you could walk an awful long way around here. It's really nice. And of course, you can see that the tide probably went way back in there, but they've protected it and everything and curbed the erosion. Okay, let's see how much further out here we can get. So tomorrow I will be making a trip. I'll be posting this video actually a week after. I'll have already arrived back when you guys are watching this. But I'm going to go up and see my daughter. They have bought not sure how big the land is actually, but they bought a farm up in northern BC. And I'm not going to be able to get across there because I don't have boots. No boots. But you can tell the tide is going out. It's all the water is running away. And that's too far to jump. And we've got a lone seagull here. I guess he's kept an eye on me long enough. Yep, that's too far to jump. I'm not going to jump that. chases itself back out to the ocean. Nice spot. I've walked this a couple of times along the shoreline. You can see it better from here. You can start just the other side of the blue building there and walk this whole way down. It's quite nice, especially in the evening when the sun is setting in this direction here, and it can be quite lovely. Okay guys, I'm gonna get on to my walk. Later, Gators.